Posh on YouTube
We're
only.
posh on YouTube only. Off camera.
Or Raz.
Local women. Very Raz.
Anyway. Welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be doing this pretty lady's face. This is Toby.
Yes, that's me.
So I'll be doing her makeup. Stay tuned and we hope you enjoy the video. Please remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel and leave a comment down below if you have any. See ya at the end. You'll see the end result eventually. So I'm starting off with brushing and tweezing, or brushing and plucking the eyebrows, just to define the shape a little bit more because she had some flyaway hairs here and there. Now I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills pencil, the Brow Wiz eyebrow pencil in the shade dark brown to just outline the eyebrows. After drawing on the brows, I realized that I hadn't cleaned her face. I hadn't wiped it or done any skin preparation. So I had to go back and just use the normal skin cleansing facial wipes. I got this from Target and wiped her face with that. And afterwards, I used the Micellar Rose Water Clean and Glow from Garnier Skin Care line. So added some more touches to the eyebrows and cleaned that up with LA Girl Pearl Concealer in the shade Warm Honey and Cool Tan. Now I'm going in with my Louise base. This base is light. I'm going in with the base, and always remember, if you're using the Louise base, a little bit goes a really long way. I'm just patting that into her eyebrows so that when we finally apply the eyeshadows, it will last long and the pigment will show up as they should. Now I'm using my Morphe Artistry palette 35H. I also had a mix from the Patricia Bright shadow palette as well. So there's this really light brown color that I have placed in the outer corner of her eye. And then I went to blend that out with an even lighter shade of coral. I think that's the closest that it comes to describing that color. It's kind of coral, really light, gearing towards pink, to brush that out. And then I go in with a darker shade of brown just to deepen the outer corner and really outline the shape of her eyes. I did the cut crease off camera. So I use this coral color from the Morphe palette on top of her eyelids, just right in the middle, but not quite to her outer corner or the inner corner, just in the middle. And then I'm applying Taste the Rainbow from Patricia Bright's palette. Very close to the outer corner, but not quite. Just so that I can have a nice gradient of colors going on in that area. And then I blend it in with Reckless, still from Patricia Bright's palette, so that we just have a nice gradient of colors going and everything looks seamlessly blended together. For the inner corner, I also used the shade Shimmering from the Patricia Bright's eyeshadow palette. Well, this is actually the Rich in Color palette. After applying all of our eyeshadows, it's time to just clean out any fallouts that may have happened while we were placing the eyeshadow. Now I'm applying the NARS Pore and Shine Control Primer. After applying the primer on her face, then I go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Gel Eyeliner. Now the foundation I used for this, because I'm still waiting on my foundation palette, so I doctored my own foundation to match her skin tone. So my own foundation is the Smashbox foundation in the shade 4.3. I doctored that a little bit just to make it work for her skin. I'm going over with the foundation with a damp beauty blender, just to smoothen everything out, make it really flawless and skin-like. Now I have gone back to highlight the under eye, the chin, the upper lip area, and the forehead. Still using the same concealer that I used to conceal the brows. Yep, she's already looking almost there. Take me away. I'm just setting her under eye using my Mercier translucent setting powder in the shade Medium Deep. So all of the areas that I highlighted, the forehead, the under eye, the chin, the upper lip, I'm setting all of that using this powder. To contour her face, I will be using the Fenty contour stick in the shade Caviar. Now this shade is really dark, so I didn't want to use a lot and just have one really dark line running through her cheekbones. So I used very little amount and it came a really long way. You don't need to use a lot unless whoever you're working on or the skin shade, unless the skin shade is closer to, a bit close to this Caviar deep color. To contour her nose, I'm using this MAC Studio Fix powder. It's a really old one, so it's hard to see the actual color, but it's really dark. Now I'm using the same powder to just set all the areas that I contoured with the Fenty contour stick, and also contour all the areas that you naturally contour. Now I'm going into the Patricia Bright Face palette, and I'm using that to highlight her nose, her cupid's bow, and her cheeks. I'm also using the blush from the same palette just to apply a bit of color, make it pop, add the dimensions, the face doesn't look flat. Now I'm going in with my MAC Prep and Prim powder. It's a translucent finishing powder. I'm just using that to go over the entire face, make sure everything is set and in place so we know we are ready to rock and roll. For mascara, I'm using the Hourglass mascara, Extreme Lash Mascara. For the lashes, I'll be using a lash set gifted to me from Toby, actually. She gave me that lash set and I'm really grateful for that because I used it to also work on a client a few weeks ago and I was just grateful to have it handy. So we're applying the eyelash using the dual strip lash adhesive. Now I'm going in with the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray just to finish off the face. And I'm dabbing that with a dry beauty blender this time, just dabbing all of that so that, you know, it creates that smooth finish and everything is just really skin-like. To line her lips, I'll be using the LA Girl lip liner in the shade Maroon. Not complete yet, but you can see she's already happy with the look. Oh, she baddest. If you know, you know. You say baddest. Now I'm just using the Chi Chi Super Matte lip color there a shade? I really can't find the shade to this one, but it's a really cool color. I've actually been searching for this color for quite a while. Now this lip stain or lipstick, I've had it for the longest time. I think I also got this from AliExpress or something. It's supposed to be a lip gloss, but it's very mattifying. I use it as a lip stain. So this is the finished look. As you can see, our model is very satisfied with her finished look. So let's know what you think in the comments section. And thank you for watching. Until next time, bye. Talk now.
Bye.
Yeah, save us some face.
Okay.
Ooh, yes. Yes.
Thank you. Mona, no look and finish. Don't finish looking at it. Let me reserve some.
Why you can't they talk for English now?
Okay.
Anyway, I
Thank
really
you.
hope you enjoyed watching this video. Let's know what you think in the comment section down below. And for the last time, bye. Oh yeah, and give us a thumbs up.
Yeah.
Yes, you get it, you get it. Give us a thumbs up. Let's know you liked watching.